Hey gym owners, I'm Bilal. So in this video I'm going to be showing you a result that I got recently for a gym. This gym, just to give you a bit of information about this gym, like this gym was struggling to get clients. They weren't very good in marketing and they needed clients really fast. So when I started working with them, I did my research about, the gym and what they needed to do to be able to get that. So I put the ad up together with all the media, created the copy and everything. And once I launched the ads and the results we got so many people coming in the door that the company actually asked us to shut it down just because they didn't have enough staff for the amount of people that were coming in the door. So I'm going to share with you exactly what I did, how the ad looked like. We're going to go through each step so that you also, if you have a gym, you can implement this in your gym and get the same results. So I'm super excited to share this with you. And make sure to stay at the end because I'm going to be revealing the ad itself, what I put inside it. So if you guys want that, make sure to stay at the end. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, I'm going to show you guys the ad. Okay, so this is the gym. And the funny thing was, like, I didn't even spend a lot of money. I spent very little. I spent only $50, okay, and just within that $50 spent, I reached 4,000 people. Okay, so I mean, that's incredible. With such a small amount of payment, I reached such a huge amount of audience. And like, I didn't have to go out and like post these posters like on walls and like post them in newspapers and like talk to other people. Like, I was just behind my computer. I created like the media that they needed, and just with a couple of clicks and putting stuff together, I was just able to do this behind my computer. So it was very simple to do, and I was able to double the amount of customers that this gym had in just a few days. So I hope you guys are really excited. I'm going to show you, like, this is the ad, okay? So this is what I said in the ad. I said, hey, downtown Montreal, our fitness gym is officially open and we have a promotion for you. We are giving away 50, and it says here see more, so it's cut off. And like, the website's over here, the title is here as well. It says giving away 50 passes for free. So this gym needed a lot of customers, and they were really desperate to get this clientele because obviously it was affecting their business. So I came up with a really cool promotion, to get a lot of people to come in the gym. And this promo, it's something that I thought that this would work really well for this gym specifically. There's different offers you can come up with, but this is what I thought would work really well, and it did. It worked very well. So like I said, we got so many people coming in the door, and they didn't even have enough staff to register everyone. That's how packed it got. And so this video itself, I created it, but if you have a video already for your gym, you can add that here. If you don't have any videos, if you have some pictures, you can put pictures here as well. So you can try to use the same copy here. If it works for you, you can come up with a promotion. Maybe you can come up with something similar or something different, whichever you think will resonate well with your audience, and put this up. And this is simply how you create the ad on Facebook. Now I'm gonna explain to you guys how to do the targeting, because that could get a bit more tricky, and I'll simplify that for you. Okay, so over here, this is Facebook targeting. Facebook targeting is so powerful because it allows you to speak to people only that you want, only to the people that you think will be your customers, right? So you can target a location. For example, if you're located at a specific street and you want only the people around your business to see your ad, well then you can put a radius on that location. So you put your address and you put a radius, and only people in that area, let's say it's like 5 kilometers or like 20 kilometers, only people in that area will see your ad, and everyone outside will not see your ad. So it's helping you save money. Also age category, right? Because sometimes depending on your offer, sometimes you might be tailoring to people who are older. Sometimes you don't want to have your ad seen by people maybe under 18 years old, right? So you have control over that. Also gender. If your clientele is mostly females and you want only females to see your ads, well, you can do that. Another cool thing that you can do with Facebook ads, and this is very powerful, you can put up specific promotions to people with their birthdays. Facebook has, birthdays of people, and you can target them specifically based on that. So if you know someone's birthday is coming up very soon, you can have a special promo, get them invited to your gym, make them a customer. Also, if you have a website and a lot of your clients are spending time there, Facebook allows you to target your website visitors. And why that's so good is because these people, they already know your brand, they already know who you are. So when you retarget them, with your ads, like it's like a warm audience. So the conversion for these clients will be a lot easier. Also, if you have customers in the past who have stopped coming to your gym, or maybe they got their goal and like maybe they're not fit, and you have the opportunity to actually take your email list, put it onto Facebook, and what Facebook does, it analyzes the type of emails that you have. So it will find the person itself with your email, and it'll categorize what type of person it is, if it's a male, if it's a female, their age, and they're trying to create a lookalike audience based on your email list, to create something very similar and find people who already who are already part of your email list, find people who are similar, and you can target that once again. So this is going to help you even further to get customers, because you've already gotten customers, you have their emails, and Facebook allows you to find similar customers like that. So it just helps you even more. So this is very powerful, and once you start playing around with Facebook and Facebook ads, like you just simply add in the information here, and as you go step by step, it's very simple to follow through. So once you complete this, you'll be able to actually target the customers that you want, that you think would be the best for your business. So I hope you guys really like this. This was a very short training, and I did that because I really wanted to help you understand what Facebook is, how powerful it is, and really wanted to help you in your business. So if you guys need customers, you can just go through this training and just follow the steps, and you'll be able to get customers. Obviously, you can come with the different promotions. You can, depending on what time it is of the year, or what season you are in, or just promotions that you think would be the best for your business. So yeah, so like, it's good that you guys did this training and you got this information, but it's also important that you actually apply it and go and try this for yourself and see what kind of results you get. However, if you are a business owner and you're busy and you're focused on just running your business, and you don't have time actually to do this and experiment with this, and you just want me to do it, I'll be happy to do that for you. I can actually build this for free for you until you actually start getting leads. So if that interests you, you guys can apply. There's going to be a link at the bottom. You guys can use that. It'll be just a short discovery call. We'll do like a call just to find out what your needs are, what you need help with. If you have any questions about the process, what we talked about in the training, like for example, if you have a question about the Facebook ads, how to come up with it, how to maybe edit your photos, how to edit your videos, if you want to have a quick chat about any of the things we talked about, or anything about acquiring customers, I'll be happy to do that. So there's going to be a link at the bottom. It's going to be a very short discussion we're going to have together, and yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll be happy to. So I hope this was helpful. I hope the best of luck for you, and I hope you continue growing your business.